Twin City Travelers, and it's 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm a bit sleepy, so just ignore it. Today we are trying to cover 3 places in total, that is Baba Falls, Amboli Falls and Mahadevghad. So this trip will be about 320 km approximately in total. So just stay tuned and let's go.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun.
So guys, this is the way to Amboli road, which is also called Sawantwadi road, and to enter Maharashtra, I guess. So from here we have to take the left deviation to reach the Baba Falls, which is around 30 or 40 kilometers from this circle.
I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. Life destroyed until I walk away.
Right now we are on Pargad road and we are almost there for Baba Falls.
I take my mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
So this is the board, and don't get confused by saying the board. The board shows this is the straight path. We have to take this turn.
Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need.
So people, if I'm audible to you, we are at the Unknown Falls, which comes 5 minutes before the Baba Falls, and we are having breakfast with the view.
To shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero.
So guys, this is Baba Falls, which is also known as Kumbawade Falls, and this falls is about 87 kilometers from Belgaum and 138 kilometers from Dharwad and only 16 kilometers from Amboli Falls. And the best time to visit this place is from July to October.
तो रुको जरा.
So guys, this is Belgaum to Amboli road, and you can access Baba Falls from here too. It's only about 17 kilometers, and if you want to go to Mahadevghad Fort, then you should take a right from here. So guys, we reached Mahadevghad Fort around 4:30 p.m. but unfortunately we could not see anything from here because of the thick fog present here. If you really want to enjoy a stunning sunset, then this is the right place, guys. Do visit someday. So it's 10 p.m. right now, and we are wrapping our trip here. We are back to our own places. These are the bikes which we used traveling, and it costed only 250 to 300 per person. So just keep exploring, and Hakuna Matata. Bye bye.